Okay, so now I'm gonna try with tap water at first. This is tap water. This is actually an old bottle of Sitaxia, I think. It's like a Greek brandy. I just like the bottle, so we're gonna try this out. Okay, I'm gonna fill it up to here. As you can see through this, the color should be like a yellowish or a pink. I'm gonna say it's coming out a little pink now, but it's still taking a while. So now let's try it with the alkaline water at cold. Let's rub it up and down a bit, come on. So that consistency is actually really coming through. So you can see the water is actually a little more opaque. Oh yeah, I like that. It's coming through very nicely. The pink, wow, the pink is coming out very well. So yeah, that is a brilliant. Okay. So now I'm going to take both of these tea bags out. Okay. So this is the tap water. So let's shine this in. We can see that, yeah, it's not really pink. No, it's not really pink at all. Then with the alkaline water, it's a little pinker. Yeah. And I can actually taste the primary herbal constituents of the tea versus the tap water, which still tastes mostly like tap water. So that was just like less than 30 seconds of absorption, and already this one has way more of the constituents absorbed, unlike this one. So, let's put these tea bags back in here before they leak everywhere. So, my overall review is, this alkaline water, it really promotes a much more full body flavor to whatever you're drinking, whether you're boiling it or just making it with iced, trying to ice your beverages. The machine in and of itself has installment plans, and I would say relatively modest pricing compared to going to the store every week and buying like a $5, $10, even $20 case or cases of alkaline water. I can't afford to do that, so I'd much rather have a machine that does it for me for quite some time compared to having to go to the store, pack in all this alkaline water in my car, or I don't have a car, so in my case, like a cart that I put on the bus. Yeah, this is certainly something I would invest in. Again, this is the gallon of water provided to me by Matthew Behar. You can see his number here. On top of that alkaline water, it has a lot of benefits. Primarily that it reduces the acidity in your body, and when you have too much acidity in your body, it's typically caused by sugary foods or even really fatty foods that have hormones or salt or other spices in them. I'm not particularly fond of spices because they upset my stomach. I can't eat fruit either. Acidity is a major problem for me, and so I drink a lot of water, typically tap water, which I'm starting to realize, wow, lacks a lot of the taste and structure and full bodiness that this alkaline water does. Like, I would certainly compare this to a very fine Chardonnay. So yeah, this is amazing. I'm gonna finish drinking all this like right now. On top of that, like, this water really helped my throat out. I was very sick, in comparison to how I have been. I could barely talk, I was very congested, and this water has just been a lifesaver for me. Like, allergy season's terrible. I can get pneumonia, bronchitis from those kind of infections, and this really helps filter out a lot of the toxins, and alkaline water does do that. Other things, for example, that make your body more alkaline and stabilize your pH levels are clay, for example. I drink bentonite clay every day, and I take a moringa supplement every day as well. Those supply vitamins and minerals and proteins to your body, which you're going to need to process, and if you're vegetarian like me, that's important. But however, what it does is it absorbs the toxins and filters it out of your body. And like you saw with the teas that I demonstrated, the alkaline water absorbs the molecules much faster. So imagine that going within your body, absorbing toxic molecules. Toxic molecules typically have a charge that alkaline substances are very attracted to, so it sticks to them, and it goes through your digestive tract and is filtered out your body naturally through your digestive tract with the alkaline substances in question. So I would seriously consider investing in this kind of water, especially if you cannot do a clay detox or a moringa detox or any kind of detoxing. Because remember, tap water it's safe to drink, but safe does not always mean healthy. It's safe to have a milkshake. It doesn't mean you should have one every day. So you should not have lower pH water, even bottled waters, for example, which is like at a 7 to a 5 sometimes, which makes your body more acidic and less likely to filter out those toxins in your digestive tract or body. Invest in this machine with Matthew Behar. I seriously recommend doing this for your health. You're going to feel way better. I know I felt way better just in 24 hours drinking this water, combining it with my teas. I feel much more alert, and just everything tastes way better. It gives out the natural flavor of what you're drinking, like this coffee. Oh. The natural fullness of that espresso. It's not repugnant anymore. I don't have to add sugar to it. I can just drink it as it is and feel fulfilled. This hibiscus tastes way less sour in the way that it made me gag. It's actually much more cooling and refreshing. It glides down your throat. So yeah, seriously, invest in it. And here again is the gallon of water, which I'm probably going to finish drinking tonight.